Well, dear students, now we shall discuss on the question and their answers. The first question is, what will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us to achieve? Counting up to 12 means only for some time. Means the poet wants to tell us that we should take out the time for the rest for only a while, only for some minutes, sometimes, some seconds. And help us, what does it help us to achieve? So already you know that by keeping quiet we can achieve the silence, the ease of the life, the comfort of the life, and the time for thinking our problems, the problems of others and other people. So it means we shall get the time of happiness, a strange time, a time of enjoyment, an exotic time. Here the poet wants to tell us that we shall achieve the time of happiness, of delight, and the time to think over the matters and problems of others. We shall get the time to think over the solution of the problems of others and ourselves also. Now, the second question, do you think the poet advocates total inactivity and death? No, we do not think that the total inactivity means death. The poet does not want to say this. The poet wants to tell us that by keeping stillness or silence for some time, we shall get the time to energize ourselves. We shall get the time to recharge ourselves. And by this recharging, we shall store the energy and we can do our work with double energy. The poet says that by keeping quiet doesn't mean death. It means to wait for the appropriate and suitable time in order to grow up myself again, in order to do our function with double energy. And the third question is, what is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? Here, the poet says that the sadness of violence, the sadness of death, because if we are rushing all the time, we are running all the time, we are doing the work all the time, and we do not take the time for the rest, for the silence, so certainly we are inviting our death, we are inviting the wars. And nowadays you can see around the world that the people are running all the time in order to hoard a lot of money, a lot of energy, uh, to grow their technologies and other things. And you can see at present that some countries are always at daggers drawn. At daggers drawn means they are always at the wars. China is ready to war with America, and Israel is ready to war with Philippines, like that. The people are running and rushing all the time in order to get more and more power, and certainly this power is for devastation of the world. And nowadays you can see this pandemic corona is making everyone understand that you are not the powerful, time is powerful. So the sadness means here the invitation of violence, the threatening of death. Number 4. What symbol from nature does the poet in O to say that there can be life under apparent stillness? So, in the last stanza of the poem, we have seen that the poet has drawn the, the example of earth from the nature. With the help of earth, the poet has given us a message and a lesson that sometimes the earth seems to be taking rest, to be silent, but it doesn't mean that earth is functionless. The earth is functioning in stillness, and it is waiting for the suitable time, the proper time, and then it starts its seedling, its growth of plants and other things. The earth is the best example for getting the message, and in this way the poet has appealed us that we should take the time for the rest so that we can think and understand our problems ourselves, and we can solve the problems of others, we can think about the others, and we can have the holistic view. Holistic view means we can have the view for the world also, we can think for the good of the world also. That is all.